Ever wondered what it feels like to drive through the universe? Buckle up as we dive into the world of the McLaren 720S Galaxy. This isn't just any supercar, it's a celestial entity on wheels, a testament to McLaren's unyielding pursuit for innovation and luxury. For those who appreciate the fine blend of speed, design, and comfort, the McLaren 720S Galaxy stands as a beacon of automotive grandeur. This car boasts a myriad of features that mirror the marvels of the cosmos. Its exterior design is nothing short of a stellar spectacle, while the interior comfort is akin to floating in zero gravity. And don't get me started on the performance, it's like shooting across the sky at the speed of light. But we won't reveal everything just yet. So, are you ready to explore the McLaren 720S Galaxy? Hold on tight, let's start our journey. At first glance, the McLaren 720S Galaxy is a sight to behold. There's an undeniable allure to the sleek, streamlined design of this automotive marvel. The body of the McLaren 720S Galaxy, crafted entirely from carbon fiber, is a visual symphony of grace and power. It's a testament to McLaren's commitment to using cutting-edge materials to enhance performance, all while maintaining an aesthetic that is undeniably striking. The LED headlights, piercing and bright, add a touch of modern sophistication to the vehicle's front profile. They're not just for show though, these LEDs provide superior illumination, ensuring the road ahead is always crystal clear, no matter the conditions. Now let's talk about that unique Galaxy paint job. It's not just a color, it's an experience. The deep, shimmering hues seem to shift and change as you move around the vehicle, creating a visual spectacle that's reminiscent of gazing into the depths of the cosmos. It's a paint job that's truly out of this world. Yet the McLaren 720S Galaxy's exterior design isn't just about turning heads. Every curve, every line, every vent has been meticulously engineered for aerodynamic excellence. The sculpted bodywork guides the air around the car, reducing drag and optimizing downforce. This means more grip, better handling, and ultimately, unrivaled speed. The dihedral doors, a signature feature of McLaren's design, are not only visually stunning, but also serve a practical purpose. They swing upwards, allowing for easier access in tight parking spaces. Besides, they also guide the air into the vehicle's side intakes, aiding in cooling the mighty V8 engine nestled within. So, you see, every aspect of the McLaren 720S Galaxy's exterior design serves a dual purpose. Beauty and functionality coexist, creating a vehicle that's as thrilling to drive as it is to look at. The exterior of the McLaren 720S Galaxy isn't just about looks, it's a testament to McLaren's dedication to performance and innovation. Step inside the McLaren 720S Galaxy, and you'll find yourself in a cockpit designed for both comfort and performance. The moment you slide into the driver's seat, it's as if you're slipping into a second skin. The seats, carefully wrapped in the finest leather, contour to your form, offering both support and comfort during those high-speed pursuits or leisurely drives. Now cast your eyes upon the dashboard. It's a state-of-the-art marvel that seamlessly blends technology with functionality. This isn't just a dashboard, it's the command center of your McLaren 720S Galaxy. It offers every piece of data you need to optimize your drive, from performance metrics to navigation, all presented with crystal-clear graphics and intuitive controls. And then there's the folding driver display, a feature that truly sets the McLaren 720S Galaxy apart. With a simple touch, the display folds away, minimizing distractions and focusing your attention on the road ahead. It's a testament to McLaren's commitment to a driver-focused design, an ethos that permeates every inch of this remarkable machine. But what's a drive without the perfect soundtrack? The McLaren 720S Galaxy's immersive sound system is engineered to deliver crystal-clear audio. Whether you're listening to the roar of the engine or your favorite tunes, each speaker is strategically placed to create an acoustic environment that rivals the best concert halls, transforming your drive into a personal concert. And let's not forget about the little details that make a big difference. The meticulously crafted stitching on the seats, the tactile feel of the steering wheel, the ambient lighting that adds a subtle glow to the cabin. These minute details contribute to the overall sense of luxury and comfort that the McLaren 720S Galaxy offers. With its luxurious interior and driver-focused design, the McLaren 720S Galaxy makes every journey a pleasure. Every drive becomes an experience, every road a stage, and you, the star performer. So sit back, relax, and let the McLaren 720S Galaxy take you on a journey of unparalleled comfort and performance. But the McLaren 720S Galaxy isn't just about looks and comfort, it's about performance. This supercar is no slouch under the hood. At its heart lies a formidable 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This power plant delivers an astonishing 710 horsepower, propelling the 720S Galaxy from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.8 seconds. Incredible, isn't it? But wait, there's more. The top speed of this celestial beast? A mind-bending 212 miles per hour. That's faster than most commercial airliners at takeoff. However, the 720S Galaxy isn't just about raw speed. It's also about control, precision, and balance. The car's advanced handling capabilities, courtesy of its pioneering Proactive Chassis Control 2 system, make it as nimble as it is quick. The system continually adapts to changing driving conditions, ensuring optimal grip and stability at all times. And then, there's the braking. The McLaren 720S Galaxy's carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power, allowing you to decelerate from 60 to 0 in just over 2 seconds. That's as impressive as its acceleration. The McLaren 720S Galaxy is not just a car, it's a symphony of engineering and design, a celebration of speed and control, a testament to the power of human innovation. It's a car that combines luxury, innovation, and performance in a package that's truly out of this world. So there you have it, the McLaren 720S Galaxy, a car that combines luxury, innovation, and performance in a package that's out of this world.